so we're at the parking lot where we park our cars at, right across the street. There was apparently some homeless person that just literally lit a fire. I mean, look at this thing. It's all, I don't know, I think he was trying to burn like a, what was that, wood or cardboard, something like that. The whole tree's like burned, along with that whole burned part right there, as you guys can see on the sidewalk. Fire department came and literally had to, you know, turn off the fire. So luckily nothing happened to our cars. We have a beautiful Mclaren here, and we have the TunerCult here. So thank God nothing happened to our cars. We're lucky. Fire department, thank you, came out and took care of it.
What the f do you want? I'm working on like you.
Okay, I'm working too. Come, I have a customer. This is an important customer. Come.
This is Vic. How can I help you?
Oh, hey, Vic, have you ever heard of 10X?
Yeah.
10X?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what you're doing. We got the Wraith.
What color is the car right now?
Gray.
And it has chrome all over it, right? It's not a black badge?
No, it's not a black badge. That's what we want to do to it.
This is that 10X Wraith that belongs to Grant Cardone's partner, Brendan. Full satin black, RDB wheels. This is going to get a total transformation. Came in this gray color with some not so nice wheels, so we're going to change it up, make it look really, really good, just like we do all the Wraiths. So stay tuned for that one as well. Standing behind this menacing Rolls Royce Wraith. We used to do a lot of Wraiths, a lot of black, two-tone black, matte blacks, you name it, we did it. We blew up that Rolls Royce Wraith game a long time ago. We just did another game killer. We've already killed the game many, many times. We've heard that statement many times. Whenever we do it, it's a completely different ball game. This thing looks ridiculous. If you've heard of 10X, Grant Cardone and his business partner, Brendan, this is his vehicle. We just wrapped it in full satin black. Everything is satin black. Window moldings, door handles, front grille, emblems, even the center of the wheels. We put a little bit of gloss black on the lips of these wheels. These are RDB wheels, made by RDB, of course. That's why they're so concave, strong, amazing looking. Obviously, there's a lot of wheel brands out there, but nowadays, a lot of people can make wheels. RDB took it to the next level, created our own wheel brand with our manufacturer, and this is the result. We can make anything you want. It's slammed in low mode right now. As you guys already know, it has a button, goes up and down. This is in super low mode, so when we drive it, you guys see it's a little bit higher, drives really, really nice. It has light tint on there, nothing too crazy dark. That would also be pretty cool if you did a dark tint on this, but this has like a medium tint. Show off that really, really gorgeous interior, which is white and burgundy, and we normally see just white or red. This is a burgundy and white. Very, very pretty. Goes really good with the satin black. One of the best combinations, I think. We also painted the brake calipers red. They used to be black. Rolls Royces don't come with red brake calipers, so we went ahead and painted the brakes red as well. But yeah, there you have it. Beautiful Rolls Royce Wraith. The new Ghost did come out, so Wraith replacement will be here shortly, but for now, still such a gorgeous car. Alright, so we are sitting inside that beautiful Wraith now. Check out this interior. Really, really gorgeous with the white and burgundy. It's not red, it's like a burgundy. Of course, Joe doesn't have his seatbelt on, but yeah, we'll cut it short. Very nice, look at the stars.
Hey, you know what? You f***ed up my reputation on YouTube.
No, they just saw the truth. You guys finally saw the truth.
You guys made up lies?
No.
You guys made up lies? A lot of lies.
Did you not say those things you said?
I didn't mean anything bad to the customer.
See
ya, man.
I'm
Thank
gonna
you.
come back here when I get a Ford.
Alright.
He's gonna run to another one.
He was on the way here to buy a shirt, and a girl pulled in front of him and he crashed. So, and then he came the next day. I told him to give a free shirt, but Moses didn't want to give him a free shirt. See, I tell you guys, Moses is not as humble as you guys think.
There was nothing wrong that was said. So, you guys like to blow up things for no reason. And now people think that I'm a bad person when I'm not. So, I don't know.
That's not gonna fix it, man. It takes years.
Okay, fine.
It takes years of work to fix your reputation on YouTube.
Okay, so if somebody comes in and wants merchandise, I'm gonna pay. I will pay out of it. I'll pay for it from my pocket, and I'll give the person a free shirt or whatever, few shirts.
If that was me, I would have paid from out of my pocket for that.
You could have gave it for free.
But on top of it, you said that his accident is not our problem.
if you wanted to give the shirt for free, you could have.
You can't delete that footage. It's out there. People have to decide for themselves if you're a good person or not.
Okay, you guys answer this. If Vic could have given that T-shirt for free, which you can, because obviously he owns.
I wasn't there when
shop.
you charged him.
You were right by me.
I was not there when you charged him.
Right, and you knew you were.
I came at the end when you already got the money.
So he could have given the T-shirt for free, but of course he chose not to.
Look,
and it blew up on me, and I had to.
There
make
is no proof of that. The only proof of that on the previous episode is you talking, and it's on there. There's no proof of me doing this or that because I didn't do it. So stop trying to turn it on me.
Again, if I didn't make the sale next morning, I was gonna hear a lot early in the morning.
That's absolutely not true.
So
it's absolutely not true. I don't keep track of shirts that I sell.
definitely does.
No, you're screwed.
You wear a hat they call dad. Me, I'm the dad in the hat. You just like clubbing and clothes. Me, I like afternoon naps. 3, I be missed for the road. My oldest like counting racks. My middle one, she's in a dirt bike. My youngest is just like a mama.
El vato me pegó, loco. Ah, mira, me hizo llorar.
What did he do? Okay,
Why you scared? Why you scared?
He's so pissed.
Yeah! No more. Hey, no more.
Okay, both of you get out of here.
No, I'm gonna take this one over there to the shop.
No, we stopped the recording.
Why?
Because he has to talk about how we're gonna fire you.
Get out.
Just move. Let him do it. Go.
All right, we're standing in front of this really crazy colored McLaren 720S. I've never seen this before. It's a very funky yellowy brown. I don't even know what to call it. It reminds me a lot about like the Phoenix yellow from the BMW days. The E46 had Phoenix yellow. Reminds me of that color a lot. A really cool color though. McLaren makes some dope colors. This is one of them. We just put a set of Veloce Design Works wheels on it, 21 inch. And it also got lowered. As you can see, it's lowered. Drives really good, lowered like this too. I think all 720s look tremendously better when they're lowered. Several companies make springs for it. You heard this car as well. Stock. We're gonna be doing an FI exhaust very soon. It's ordered, it's gonna be coming in. It's gonna be very loud when we put it on. We'll film it again for you guys so you can hear it. But yeah, that's another 720S done with some dope aftermarket wheels, lowered.
Take it inside.
Now has to take the car inside. Hey, where's the key?
Inside.
It's inside the car.
Now I do the last touch-ups.
You didn't even do anything to the car.
Huh?
You didn't even do anything to the car.
I didn't do nothing.
That's why nothing's broken.
Your comments, Jairo. Ay, wait. Outside is really nice, but inside, look at this. You ever see any fat guys go through the cars like this? Like my bike. Okay, I gotta go. Hey, see you later. Okay, see you next week. And thanks for enjoying the channel. These guys, they doing good. Quítate, wey.
It looks like he stole the car.
Hey.
It looks like he stole it. Come on, no, we're filming, no. Don't scrape the bumper. Don't break the screen.
What are you doing?
Oh, I got him. We got him.
His arm. Up. Hey, this fucker is strong. Let it go a little bit. Stop pulling. Stop. Hold on.
Let it go a little bit.
Let it go a little bit, bro. Okay.
Come close to me.
3.
Of course. I'm not crazy.
You wear a hat they call dad. Me, I'm the dad in the hat. You just like clubbing and clothes. Me, I like afternoon naps. 3, I be missed for the road. My oldest like counting racks. My middle one, she's in a dirt bike. My youngest is just like a mama.